Wow. Yeah.
I thought that's what made you who you are, nigga.
That's when you got
being
the
able to, yeah, nigga, how you gonna be who you are? Talk about all this killing in 979 songs, but you can't do time. You talk killer talk, but you can't do this killer's time.
Yeah.
All his fans, we need him free. Well, y'all quit talking about killing people then, cause you niggas don't know what this come with.
Yeah.
He need to do about 7 years. Pooh Shiesty need to do about 12 years. Go Yayo need to get about 15 years. Who else in trouble? They need to put all the rappers away for at least 8 to 15 years. And when them boys come home, they gonna be some of the best, well-behaved, mountable, respectful citizens that our community could have.